Welcome to Johnny's restaurant again. I'm Johnny. Do you like pork? Yeah, what is today's menu? The pork things, new menu. Last time we cooked pork menu. That is Jeyuk, Korean Jeyuk, sweet spicy pork. How about that? Did you try that? Yeah, I tried again. I shared the pork with my brother. Anyway, kimbap is very normally menu in Korea. When you Korean guys going to picnic, going somewhere, and they usually bring the kimbap, like that one. Can you see that? Beautiful one. But today we use the pork kimbap. So that's a lovely one, aren't you? Let's see what we have here. Okay, what we have here. Check out the ingredients here. First, the lettuce, onion, spring onion, and spiced pepper, carrot, this much, not many, garlic, egg, and avocado, and mushroom, roasted sesame, sliced pork belly, table salt, Korean sesame oil, white wine, or red wine. I prefer white wine, that's good, and rice. See the paper? Can you see that? Last important thing, sauce. Okay, everything is ready. And glove also. We need preparing vegetable for kimbap everything. But except garlic and super spice chili. I already printed here. Let's just take off. Okay, first we need a slice. Stick. Just take off the bottom, take off quarter size, twist. This size. Dip. If you print the water, I recommend the milk. You can make sure milk cut a little bit. Very quickly cook, easy. The well done is best. Little bit salty there. Okay, well, ready to stir fry. First we need egg pancake. Very nice one. Okay, sesame oil. Okay, you have to bring the tongue or a chopstick. That one, make sure keep here. One more, keep here. Wow, one more. Oh, keep deeper going down. Usually I use just hand because I'm a chef. See, be careful, very hot. My fingers doesn't matter. See, beautiful pancake, egg pancake. And we need a slice. Actually, I wanted to cool down a little bit more, but I do now. 1, 2. Keep here. That's it. Okay, now we need it. Stir fry again. Not too much the oil. I just used the egg oil there. Little bit salty. till it cook. Don't worry, I put the vegetable here more, so don't worry about that. Separate. White wine. Usually when I cook in the real kitchen, you can see the fire show, but not here. Never keep down the fry pan is hot. Hot. Enough, yes. And half match the carrot, just half. That's good. Alright. And done. So now we already preparing Jeyuk meat inside the kimbap one. Well done, guys. Well done. Everything is preparing lettuce, egg, avocado, and fresh carrot. Now we bring the rice and another table salt and seaweed paper because now we need to make a rolling near kimbap. Okay, let's together. Now we need the seasoning the rice, not the sushi rice there. Bring the rice here and pinch salt. Sesame oil, not too much. Quarter teaspoon. Alright. Bring seaweed paper. There's two paste. So put one, top one, baby skin, adult skin. We use other skin, baby skin on the outside. Okay, there is a little bit broke here. Scrub here. Depends on you, thick or thin. Like this. I like thin one. Less rice. More meat tastes nice and rare. If rice too much cool down and very hard to scrub it. Okay, it's done. Put avocado first, carrot. Hey, what carrot? Okay. Egg and lettuce. And cook a little bit. And the Jeyuk make sure we should make a sausage like a sausage. Okay, I'm ready. Scrub. Like there will be glue, rice glue. Scrub and almost forgot. One more here and here. Are you ready? I'm almost ready. Bring the mat. It's very hard to lift up, print the mat again. Just print the mat first. And make sure. And push it inside first. Push it, see? Push it. Push more hardly. Alright.
Don't worry, the rice is very strong. Can you see it? Have to seaweed outside and stick together. 1, 2, and make sure. Laundry. Voila! See, beautiful. You can see it's lying on the down. Maybe make sure time is make sure more stronger glue. Okay, done. Very easy. Rolling there. Yeah. Dust. Sesame oil. Sesame oil. That's it. Okay, now it's cut. It's rice. Big rice, not too many thin rice. Perfect balance. Make sure. Cut a little bit. 3 times. Oh, it is already done, but a little bit. That there. Okay, it's rice now. 1, 2, 3. Lucky 7. Is there right? Lucky 7. No, 8. Yeah, I like extra spicy. Do you guys know that? Yeah, spice sauce. More. That's it. Well done, everybody. Well done. The Korean Jeyuk kimbap is done. Looks like good. Yeah, of course. Beautiful. Very easy to make and very easy to bring anywhere. You can use just finger, 2 finger. So I prepared to make sure Jeyuk kimbap and the other Korean kimbap and keep it at the container box and the lunch box. You can bring to your children and your and friends anywhere. Okay, now I try this, of course. Just wait. Big size. Nice choice. Let's create the spice sauce because the kimbap is not too much spice. Nice, better, perfect balance. Wow, so creamy. I already tell you, recommend anywhere with your friends, family, children. Okay, this is done. Next time we'll see you again with another amazing menu. I bring this new menu. Oh, I'm not sure, but it will be new. Thank you so much again. And don't forget, push the like button and subscription. Thank you guys. See you guys.